Hello, this is the second demo about rate improvements on the storage page for LVM. And here's a logical volume group with a whole bunch of physical volumes in it. And let's see where we are. Let's start with a normal logical volume with a linear layout. And yeah, as you can see, now the first difference is that you can select on which physical volumes you want this thing to go. Let's just make a small one. This should only need a single physical volume. And then if you look at this, now it tells you that the layout is linear and it gives you a list of physical volumes. Yeah, this could be expanded and use the text from here or whatever. And if we grow it now to be larger than 2 gigabytes, it will need 2 physical volumes. And then you can see that listed here that 2 gigabytes are on SDA1. It's a partition, and this one is now completely used. And 1.5 gigabytes is on a second physical volume. So maybe you care about that. Sometimes it's important. But why we are doing this now is for rate volumes, where you want to have multiple stripes and they all need to be on different physical volumes, of course, and when one breaks you want to know which one it is. So let's make a RAID 5 on these 3 hard drives. They are not partitions now because I want to kill them later by removing them from the virtual machine. So also let's make a small one. And here it is. And now it doesn't say physical volumes, it says stripes. And the box here should tell you that these things are the stripes and not just a list of physical volumes. The size is a little bit under 2 gigabytes, but each stripe is a little bit under 1 gigabyte, and that's just how RAID 5 works. Maybe we can even put some text here to explain that. There's a redundancy built into this, so you can lose one of these stripes and your data is still safe. They all need to be synchronized. You can see that they are in 100% now. And yeah, let's see what happens if we grow this. Let's grow it over 4 gigabytes. Let's see what happens. There should be space on here. And then you can see each stripe actually uses more than one physical volume. And this is maybe the most complicated layout that we want to show now, that you have a number of stripes and each stripe uses multiple physical volumes. Yeah, now you can squint and look where they are actually, but let's just start over. And make a simple one again. Not on the partitions, but here. So here we are. And now let's see if we can repair this. First we have to break it and then we try to repair it. I have to find my virtual machine thingy, and I will just take one of the disks away. Okay. So how does it look? Nothing has happened. I think something is broken with the automatic hot plugging here. Let's see. If I type this, then something is triggered, I think. And no. I try to reload. I hope I don't have to reboot here. It's all still there. Oh, maybe I might have removed the wrong one, but it should still give me some hint. Let's try another one. No, back to the terminal. So now this should tell us something that's really broken, but okay. Yeah, there's supposed to be an alert up here that tells you about this situation, but now we can at least see that one of the stripes went missing. This should be called out much more in red and with warning triangles and everything. And yeah, what this means now that the RAID 5 is degraded, one is missing. If two were missing, we would lose data, and we could also explain that here in the UI. Now we can repair this with any of the things here. Let's just click the button and LVM will find something. Now the alert is here. It's all a bit strange. I just click this button, let's see what happens. Okay. Now that worked. Yeah, so notifications don't seem to work, the hot plugging doesn't seem to work, or some pieces are not up to date in the storage stack. And now it has found enough space on this partition here to repair this RAID device, and it's all good again. It's 100% synchronized. And it's healthy. Yeah, so I think that's about it. What we want to achieve, we want to show the stripes, where they are, on which physical volumes, and we want to give the user the opportunity to repair whatever is missing, and also explain much better than it is done here in the demo what is actually going on with your RAID. Okay, thanks a lot. Until next time.